House and Gardens tip for today. In utilizing our kitchen, it is always nice to display a harvest from the gardens. A basket full of Vidalia onions. Not only is it aesthetically pleasing, but it is also encouraging to use in our recipes, which is a very healthy choice. This basket of Vidalia onions makes a very nice seasonal statement, but it's also nice to sometimes include an accessory, and I've done that with this beautiful ceramic pumpkin. Because my kitchen counter is used a lot, because I do a lot of baking and a lot of cooking, especially this time of year, I usually decorate very simply. But as the season progresses, I usually will change out my decoration accessories and make it a little bit more exciting, and I plan to share that with you all. Now, of course, the basket could be filled with other things such as fruit, or maybe some tomatoes or something from the garden. And you can also change out what I have for a pumpkin for a real pumpkin. So I hope you have enjoyed this tip for today in decorating the kitchen counter. And join me in future videos because I will be presenting more ideas, tips, and inspiration for the seasons. So thanks for joining me today, and I will see you again at House and Gardens.